So some of the questions that have been coming up in class are what happens if I can't solve something by factoring or by the square root method? So a method that always works is called the quadratic formula. So you're probably wondering, well, if something always works, why don't we just use that one? Well, you'll see in this video, quadratic formula is a lot more steps than if I solve by factoring or the square root method, so I want to use those two if at all possible. So one way that you can remember this formula is to learn this little song to the tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. If you just want to memorize the formula or you want to find another of the million songs out there, that is fine by me. So it goes to the tune of Pop Goes the Weasel. So it goes x equals opposite b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And I'll sing that multiple other times. So then I've written our lovely steps here that we're going to follow every time we do the quadratic formula. Our first step is to get our equation equal to 0. Then we're going to identify our ABCs. This is like when we did Xbox. We're going to sing, and while we sing, we plug in the numbers. Then we're going to simplify what is under the radical, but not the radical itself. Then we'll simplify the square root, and then we'll simplify anything else left over.